What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstack, and we got something very interesting for you guys today. We don't have a new phone, but what we have here is a new gadget from Saramonic. So basically, if you do not know Saramonic, you're not very familiar with them, they're an audio kind of solution company. So they do audio adapters, they do microphones, and they do some like smartphone audio equipment as well. And I was super excited to get this because I'm always looking out for good microphones around, and I do prefer wireless kind because it's much easier for me to move around. So I came across Saramonic, I tried some of their products and I was super impressed with their quality, so I decided to contact them, and they were really nice, very nice to send a unit over here. We have the Saramonic Blink 500 B2W. So basically it's an ultra compact 2.4 GHz. You have a dual channel wireless microphone system with a lavalier mic. So I'm really excited to show you guys this. We're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how to pair up with your devices, and also some sound clips, some video clips for you guys. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. So here is the Saramonic box. I'm going to show you up close. Blink 500 B2W, ultra compact 2.4 GHz. That's how they're going to connect between the transmitter and the receiver. And I'm going to say the box does look very nice. It does have that premium feel. Like if you see this in a store, it looks very good. And we're gonna see the sides here. There you can see it. You can clip it on your t-shirt or whatsoever. And on the back, let's see some of the specifications. Like I said, 2.4 GHz digital frequency up to 164 about feet. Omnidirectional mic. You have a built-in battery. Can last up to 6 hours. 3.5mm jack. And yes, the weight is very light at 1.2 oz. And you can see in the highlights, ideal ultra compact wireless microphone. It is going to be very light. It has a dual channel receiver for cameras and for your devices. And on the sides there, you can see that we have the Blink 500 B2W. There is other units as well. All right, so let's open up this bad boy over here. And here we have the box, and it does look very nice. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside the box. It does look pretty nice. And here is the user manual, which is pretty important for this part here. You can see that it does have this very similar looking when you're buying those phones, which we are going to use a bit more later on. And here you have your other books and stuff, which probably isn't very important. And here we have a box full of cables, and you will definitely be using all of them. So I'm going to just open this up and show it to you guys. Okay, so for the first one, we have here the USB-C, USB-A dongle. We have the lavalier mics as well here. We have two for both of the transmitters. And it does have that sponge, and it does look very nice. And here is the audio jack for you to connect the receiver to your devices like the phone or your DSLR. And again, another USB-C cable. Let's put this down, and then let's check out what is below the box, and you have a pouch to keep all your devices. Pretty handy and very nice. So we'll put this aside, and here we have it, the two transmitters and the Saramonic receiver. So we're going to look at the Blink 500 transmitter first. Here is the power button, and on top here, this is the pairing and also the volume for recording your audio. Here's the sign, transmitter, USB-C to charge up and whatever so on, and your microphone headphone jack for your lavalier mics. So you can attach this to it, and then you can untangle the wires, and then you can attach it to your body. Very convenient, very easy to use. And there is also the speaker. So if you don't have the lavalier mics, you can actually use the speakers right away if you want a more simple approach. And now we're going to look at the Saramonic receiver. And there you have it, the Blink 500 receiver next to the transmitter. And in terms of the size, the receiver is smaller. And there again, you have the power button with your audio jack, like I said, to connect to your devices. And your pair button, which we will have to use with this pin over here. Here you have the signal, your USB-C to charge this up, which I'm pretty impressed. And your clip to clip anywhere you want for your device. Okay, so now we're going to check out both of the transmitter and receiver and connect it to my device. Over here, I have the Galaxy S10e. The reason why I am using this phone is because they have an audio jack and also a USB-C over here. So what we're going to do is we have to turn on, of course, the transmitter first, and it does have that blinking light. As you can see here, it does blink pretty fast, less than 1 second. It does blink. And then let's on the receiver. And here are the both of them side by side. So for the first time you're going to pair this up, what you need to do is take out the pin and go on to the pairing hole on the one side of it. Yes, you can see over here, it has the word pair. What you want to do is just shove it in, and then you will hear a click sound. Just hold it there for a few seconds, and on the front you can see that over here, the blinking light is blinking a lot. The light is blinking a lot. And then what you want to do is click the top there, the volume there, plus and minus, simultaneously, and it will start pairing, and it will take some time for it to pair. And what you're going to notice that on the receiver, it will have a constant light, no more blinking light. And on the transmitter, it will not blink as frequent as it was before. So as we can see over here, like I mentioned, the light is no more blinking. The LED light is no more blinking, and that's when you know it is already being paired up. So what you want to do now is just basically take out the cables, connect it to your phone, use the lavalier mic, use it with the transmitter, and you are good to go. Very fast, very simple to use. And again, same process if you want to connect it to your second transmitter. So again, this is where you connect it to the lavalier mic. This one over here on the transmitter, you just need to take out this cable over here. You have to use this part of the cable, connect it to the receiver. You have to take this part of the cable, connect the receiver, and you can connect this to the Galaxy S10e. And the reason why I'm using the Galaxy phone is because you can use its own stock camera app to do your recording. So right now I'm going to show you some clip using the Saramonic Blink 500 B2W microphone. Okay, right now I already connected the receiver to my S10e, the Galaxy S10e. I've tried it with the OnePlus 8 Pro and it does not work. Even with the dongle, I'll try to put it here, it does not work. So it's better if you have a phone that has a audio jack. So over here I have the, if you're using other phones like the Galaxy S20 or whatever that does not have a audio jack, you can try this. I'm not sure if it does work. I'll probably want to go find out about it. But right now you can just connect it to an audio jack on a Galaxy S10 device. Connect it. So basically what the audio you're getting from is directly from here, because I am already turned this on, the transmitter connected to my receiver on my phone. Again, I had to reiterate that. So the sound may not be so, because I'm moving just around simply like this. And basically normally when you go for an interview, you want to do some recording, you want to attach it to somewhere close to you as possible, so you can attach it to your collar or a suit or whatever, and then this is what the audio would sound like. I will also be playing a clip using the S10e itself, so you can judge for yourself if there is any difference in terms of the audio quality between using this and of course using your stock camera app. And yes, I am using the stock camera app while using this as well, which is something really cool because you don't have to download a separate app to use this. If you're using a DSLR, you can use it exactly the same way. Just connect the audio jack to the DSLR and it would just connect very seamlessly. So like I said, this is the audio coming out from the Blink 500 over here. So I do think that the audio, I've tested this a few times and I do find the audio is very nice, very clear. So do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about it. Okay, so right now as you can see, I do not have any attachments with me. This one is disconnected. I've already taken out the receiver. So basically the audio that you are hearing now is directly to my phone. They're using the phone mic. There's a bit of some fan noise over here, so it may not be as clear. So again, let me know in the comments down below, how do you think the audio is comparing using the stock camera app and with the Saramonic attached to it. Let me know if there is any improvement. If you guys think there's any improvement, I definitely think there is. So of course, do let me know in the comments down below. I will be doing a bit more review on this, and definitely I'll give you my honest review. Although it may be given by Saramonic, but definitely I'll still be giving you an honest review. I will be comparing with something that we have over here, which is very similar. This is the Smart Mic Plus. I'm pretty sure some of you guys may have seen this in your ads, in Facebook, Instagram, and actually all this while for the past, I think 1 or 2 months or so, a lot of my recording I've been using the Smart Mic Plus. I really do like it. I'm pretty excited to compare this with the Saramonic that I have over here. If you're thinking of having this, buying this, yeah, do let me know in the comments down below. I can have a nice chit chat over there. So yes, do follow me on my socials as well, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also here on YouTube at Dr. Hummus Tech. If you did enjoy this video, do click hit that like and smash that subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. So that is it. This is Dr. Hammerstag. Stay safe, take care, and wash those hands.